everyone. My name is Vishal Koli from Electronics Department. Today we are going to learn about EC2 hosting on Amazon Web Services. So first of all, we need to go to Amazon console and then log in our free tier account. So I've already logged in here, and then we have to select our nearest region. So there are various regions available here, but the nearest to us is Mumbai, so I have selected Mumbai. Then we have to choose which facility we want to use. So basically we want to create a EC2 instance. So I will click EC2. Now as we can see, the number of instances currently running are 0, but we want to launch an instance. So we will click to launch an instance. Now there are some number of steps we need to do before we launch an instance. So, so first of all, we will name our instance. So I will name it as Cloud Computing IC. Then we have to select the OS machine. So there are various number of options available here like Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu. But for our purpose, we will select Ubuntu. And in Ubuntu also there are various versions available. But as we have a free tier account, we will select the basic one. Now the architecture we will select is 64-bit. Now we can select instance types in this option. But as we are constrained due to the free tier account, we will select T2.micro. Now we have to create a key pair. This key pair is basically gives access securely to the user. For example, if I'm creating a key pair, only I will know the key pair. So I can anytime log into my account, log into my instance, and change whatever instance settings I want. For example, if I want to add a security group while the instance is running, I can do that. So we have to create a new key pair. I will name my key pair as my key. I will keep the rest of the settings as default and create key pair. Now a key pair will be downloaded as we can see here. Now the network and subnet is default, we cannot change it. Now we have to select security groups. Security groups basically act as a firewall. So we can decide which users or which set of users we can give access to our instance. So for example, we can basically 0.0 basically means that we can give access to anyone and anyone can access our instance. Custom means we can give a selected number of IPs which can access our instance. My IP means only the devices on this specific IP can access my instance. So I will, for our purposes, I will keep it as anywhere. The volume will be as default. And now here we can see the summary of what settings we have given, and we will launch the instance. Now, as we can see, the instance is successfully launched. So we'll just jump back to the instance tab. Now it shows us pending. So it takes some time to successfully run. Here we can see the summary again. The auto assigned IP address to. So our instance is successfully running. Now we have to connect. Here we can see the instance name that we have given. Okay, our instance is successfully running. Just to check for the details, we'll run a command. So yeah, our instance is successfully running. Now we also have some option As to stop the instance or terminate the instance, here we can select stop instance, terminate instance, or reboot instance. So now I will terminate the instance. Successfully terminated. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.